In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the visible clock in the Kindle app. If you like keeping track of time without breaking your reading flow, this quick setting will make a big difference. By the end, you'll have a small, unobtrusive clock showing while you read, so you can pace your sessions and stay on schedule. Start by opening the Kindle app on your device. From there, head into your library so you can pick the book you want to read. Tap the book's cover to open it. We'll make this change from within the reading view, since that's where the option becomes available. Once your book is open, tap anywhere near the center of the page to bring up the reading menu. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This menu gives you quick access to reading controls without leaving the page you're on. Now tap the AA icon at the top. This opens Font and Page Settings, the panel where you adjust the look and feel of your reading experience. It's where you can change text size, fonts, layout, and a few other handy preferences that customize how the page appears. Inside Font and Page Settings, look for the section labeled More. Go ahead and tap More. This area groups additional options that don't fit on the main font and layout tabs, and it's where the clock setting is tucked away. Here, find the switch labeled Visible Clock and toggle it on. As soon as you turn it on, the clock will appear at the top of your reading screen. It's designed to be subtle, so it won't distract from the text, but it's always there when you glance up. This is especially helpful for timed reading, study sessions, or winding down before bed without losing track of the hour. A couple of quick tips while you're still in this panel. If you want to fine-tune your comfort while reading, you can also adjust font size or themes from the other tabs in Font and Page Settings. These won't affect the clock, but they can make your overall reading experience more pleasant. If you ever change your mind, just tap the screen to bring up the menu again, return to AA, go to More, and toggle the visible clock off. Your choice will stick the next time you open a book, so you won't have to redo it each session. That's it. You've enabled the visible clock in the Kindle app, giving you a simple, discreet way to stay aware of time while you read. Enjoy your book and enjoy reading on your schedule.